Hey guys, Jack Neely here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I have the privilege of showing you guys one of our core brands here, Sea Ray. This is the 21 SPX, a great boat for the family man if you guys are just cruising around locally. I'm gonna hop aboard, show you guys some of the key features and really just an in-depth walkthrough of what this boat has to offer here at MarineMax. Come step aboard. Here in the aft of this boat, we are met with a Mercury 200 V6. This is plenty of horsepower for this boat, makes it very fuel efficient and gives you that top end of close to 55. Here in the back of the boat as well, you'll notice that we have a large swim platform. This is a nice area for the kids to enjoy the water, getting in and out of the boat with a nice sized reboarding ladder over here. Once we make our way forward a little bit, we are met with a large sunbed, nice area for the family to hang out. And Sea Ray does this really well, is every social zone has a designated storage compartment for your drinks or just for whatever you guys want to bring out. And here in this social zone, we actually have a large compartment here that you guys can fill in and use as a cooler. As we make our way into the cockpit, we're met with a bunch of seats as well. Sea Ray is known for the deep ergonomical design. So as a captain and as a family man, you want to make sure that everybody in the back of the boat or even the bow feels very safe. So these gunnels are made really high and have a lot of cushion on your back so that when you guys are in that rough water, you can actually feel comfortable in a 21-foot boat. Not to mention that this passenger helm rest or backrest is actually being able to flip forward, giving you guys a little bit more room in this social zone when you guys are out at the sandbar. Onto the helm area. This is everything that a captain needs. We have our Simrad MFD. We've got our Fusion stereo control. And then we have all of our rocker switches. And of course, our electric binnacle. This electric binnacle is very nice. It's got stuff like throttle only, which will make sure that the engine is actually on, but it won't turn the prop at all. So when you have kids in the boat and you're maybe low voltage, it's nice to keep that engine on and not worry about somebody coming over here and actually kicking it into gear. Below us, we actually have a large storage compartment. Right now we have our covers down low. If I were going out on the boat, this is pretty much where I would throw all my life jackets, extra gear that all the folks bring. Just a super large compartment for a day boat. Follow me as we make our way a little bit more forward, all the way up to the bow. This is, again, the deep ergonomical design that Sea Ray is known for. You feel like you're actually inside the boat, not on top of the boat up here on the bow. And not only is that, you have these grab handles off to your port and starboard, giving the people up in the bow that comfortability if you guys are running into some large boat wakes or even if you're in that choppy weather. Up here in the bow as well, we've got a nice size anchor locker. Here with MarineMax, when you purchase a boat from us, we give you everything that you need to go out on the water. You've got life jackets, fenders, anchor, ropes, you name it. If you guys are going out on the water and you want to do it right, come down here to MarineMax St. Pete. This is the 21 SPX. My name is Jack Neely. Come on down and check her out.